So what's the alternative, right? I've been on the build side of the fence. I know what's involved. A superior solution is in terms of both capabilities, data quality, and obviously, most importantly, time to value, is a cloud-based buy solution. So that is OneTick Cloud. It's our OneTick Cloud platform is fully managed, the automatic updates, the infrastructure. We load the data every day. We have a partnership with a real-time feed vendor, Options IT Active Financial, where you can get real-time data through OneTick Cloud. And that allows you to shift this very capital and heavy CapEx heavy proposition and project to a predictable vendor managed OpEx expense model. And then you get instant access to data sets. We have over 200 global equity, futures, and options databases, plus FX. So recently, we added some fixed income, some rates information, as well as crypto, like, for example, from Binance and a few other crypto exchanges. And the cloud environment, by definition, inherently, right, is expandable. We can assign to our users, to our firms, the capacity that is required in terms of cores and memory, and it's very easy to increase the allocated compute capacity if necessary. So just to summarize, put it all in one table. You're looking at just, this is an estimate roughly, but 34 to 60 weeks. So really talking about more than 6 months to potentially over a year to accomplish all of these tasks that I went through. With OneTick Cloud, of course, there's no pipeline and database development, nor tick data loading and cleaning. We do that for you. So it's really not even applicable. But as far as corporate action adjustments and symbol mapping and continuous futures and then bar generation and consolidating liquidity, these are all hard problems. Very often with an in-house development project, that project team never gets past 1 and 2, building pipelines, building databases, and loading and cleaning data. Things like corporate action adjustments and symbology mappings and continuous contracts and building real-time bars or even T+1 bars, et cetera, or normalizing across different exchanges. These are all extra credit, right? Things that the team hopes to get to, but often end up being a lot of JIRA tickets in the backlog. So we've solved all these hard problems. You can now take advantage of the work that we've done, that we have done for dozens of clients already.